Let's start from scratch by creating a new project and import our video. First, make sure your video is unchecked on the timeline. Select Effects, then Video Effects. Go to Basic, there you will find Shake and Camera Shake. With Shake you can do more extreme shake effect. Select it then press Adjust. Increase its speed and intensity values to control its speed and make it more shaky. Click and hold its edges to set the length of the camera shake effect. Click and hold the effect and relocate it in order to time it in the video. Let's watch it. All done. Please subscribe.